Good morning, children. I am Varlakshmi, mother teacher of grade 2. Children, how are you all? I am asking one question, children. Where do we live? Yes, we all live in a house. Children, today I am going to explain in EVS page number 202, sixth lesson, types of houses. Today our lesson is in EVS 6th lesson, types of houses. See children, we all need a place to live in. The place we live in is called a house. The place we live in is called a house. A house is a place for human beings to live. Children, once again I will read. We all need a place to live in. The place we live in is called a house. See children, here these are houses. Yes. Next page. Children, why do we need a house? Our house protects us from heat and cold. It gives us shelter from rain and storm. It protects us from thieves. It protects us from animals. Children, a house provides us shelter and protects us from heat, rain, cold, thieves and animals. We feel comfortable inside our house. A house keeps our belongings safe. We feel safe inside our house. Children, this is interesting. Buckingham Palace in London has over 600 rooms. Queen Elizabeth lives in Buckingham Palace. Next, different types of houses. Houses may be big or small, depending on the materials used to build them. Houses are of different kinds: huts, flats, bungalows, tents, igloos, caravans, houseboats, and so on. Children, different types of houses can be built depending on one's needs. See children, huts. First one is huts. Huts are made up of mud and sticks. The roof, made of dry leaves and straw, is called a thatch. Children, do you know what is the meaning of thatch? Thatching is the craft of building a roof with dry leaves such as straw, palm branches, etc. The roof made of dry leaves and straw is called a thatch. These houses are not very strong. See children, this is a hut. Huts are not very strong. Huts are generally found in villages. Mostly it has only one room. Most houses such as bungalows and flats are made of bricks, cement and iron rods. The doors and windows of most houses are generally made of wood and glass. These houses are strong and last for a long time. See children, this is a bungalow. This is a building. Flats in a building. See children, a bungalow is a big single or double storied house. Many times the bungalow is alone. Generally, a bungalow also has its own parking area. Generally, rich people build and stay in bungalow. Children, these are flats. Each flat may have 3, 4 or more rooms. In some flats, there are facilities such as garden, play area, swimming pool, etc. Turn the page. Next, tent. See children, this is tent. Tents are made of canvas supported by poles. Meaning of poles: a long straight piece of wood or metal with one end placed in the ground used as a support. They are easy to carry from place to place. Tents are used in camps and deserts. Children, tent is made up of cloth. A tent can be taken from one place to another. So, it is a movable built house. Tent is mainly used in forest, camps and deserts, etc. Next, caravans. Children, this is a caravan. Caravans are houses built on wheels. Caravans can move from place to place. Caravan is a house on wheels. Caravan can move people from one place to another place. This is caravan, children. Next, houseboat. Houseboats are found in Kashmir and Kerala. These are houses made on boats using wood and they float on water. Some houseboats have many rooms just as an ordinary house has. Generally, houseboats found in Kerala and Kashmir. See children, this is a houseboat. Next, igloos. See children, this is an igloo. Inuits, Eskimos live in igloos. These houses are made up of blocks of ice. See children, these are blocks of ice. This is an igloo. Here Eskimo. Children, igloos are made up of snow. Eskimos lives in igloos. Generally, igloos found in extremely cold countries such as tundras region. Next, see children, sloping roof. In places where there is snowfall and heavy rain, houses have sloping roofs. This helps the snow and water to slide and fall to the ground. See children, this is sloping roof. This is rain. House with a sloping roof. House on the hills have sloping roof. Observe this picture children. This is sloping roof. Next page. In places with heavy rainfall, houses are built on stilts made of a bamboo or wood. This prevents water from entering the house. Here stilts. What is the meaning of stilts? A set of poles that support a building so that it is high above the ground or water. Stilt house. A stilt house is high on. Such houses are built in places with very high rainfall such as Assam and Meghalaya. See children, this is houses on stilts. Children, let us recall types of houses. Houses protect us from heat, cold, rain, storm, thieves and animals. Next, types of houses: hut, bungalow, flat, tent, caravan, houseboat, igloo, house with sloping roof, house on stilts. Turn the page. In page number 206, exercises are there. First one, match the following. See children, in column A, pictures are there. In column B, types of houses are there. See children, matching. First one, what is this? See. Fifth one, tent is there. So, here you write number 5. Second one, what is this? This is caravan. Right here, 1. Next, what is this? This is houseboat. Right here, number 2. Next, what is this? This is house on stilts. So here you write number 3. Last one, hut. Right here, number 4. Next bit, tick the correct answer. First one, this type of house can be easily put up and removed. It is a tent or flat, house on stilts, bungalow. Which one is correct? Tent. Next. Second one, an igloo is made up of ice, canvas, brick or stone. Which one is correct? Ice. Third one, a roof made up of dry leaves and straw is called a terrace, thatch, flat, bungalow. Which one is correct? Thatch is correct. Next page. A house on wheels is called a bungalow, caravan, flat, thatch. Which one is correct? Caravan. Next one. Tents, flats, igloos, huts are used in camps and deserts. Which one is correct, children? Tents. Next bit. Put a tick mark if the sentence is correct or a cross mark if it is wrong. Huts are very strong houses. This is correct, children. Is this correct? No, this is wrong. Next one. Houses do not protect us from thieves. Is this correct or wrong? Wrong. Sloping roofs are found in places where there is heavy rain and snow. This sentence is correct, children? Yes, this is correct. Next one. Houseboats floats on land. Is this correct? No. Wrong. Caravans are built on stilts made of bamboo or wood. Children, this is wrong. Next, answer the following questions. Name any 2 kinds of houses. Huts, flats. Next, name any 2 materials used for building a house. Bricks, cement. Next, where are houseboats found? Answer is Kashmir and Kerala. Where are tents used? Answer deserts. Next, what kind of roofs are found in place where there is snow and heavy rainfall? Answer is sloping roof. Children, in page number 202, one activity is there. See, identify the following houses of animals. Write the name of the animal that lives in each house. See, children, what is this? First one is den. Which animal lives in den? Yes, lion. L-I-Y-N, lion. Next one. What is this, children? Shed. Which animal lives in shed? Cow. Cow lives in a shed. Next one, what is this? Coops. Children, see this picture. This is coops. Hen lives in coops. Next picture. What is this, children? This is beehive. Honeybees lives in beehive. Honeybee lives in beehive. Thank you, children. See you later. Bye-bye.